Hey, how's everybody doing today? Today is Thursday, December 26th. This year is almost to a close, meaning the new year is just around the corner. Wow, where has the days gone, the weeks, the months? They just tend to fly by. But we're not going to let this fly by. Mail call today. So let's see what's in the packages. Oh, you ready? Here we go. Little look-see if I can get these packages done. I hear something rattling. Here we go. All right. All right, that's one wrap. Interesting package. It is. Wow. Okay. And Yorkers, correct?
Euchers?
Euchers or Yokers?
I'll say Euchers, ruby red.
Is it Yookers?
Yes.
Okay, Yokers, Euchers. All right, I'm probably butchering that, but has sent me this in the mail so I can review and let all you guys out there know all about what's in this package. And I'll open it up just to give you a little look-see. Then I will be doing a review on these pens. Yokers. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, apologize. And I've got all three of the different size tips on them. So that's going to be interesting. This is how it comes when you order this pen. And it really is a great looking pen. Pull off cap, and has a 1.0 tip on it. So I will tell you all about this cool writing instrument very soon when I do my review. So this looks very interesting. And they were kind enough to even send a bottle of their ink. Yep, ruby red. That is going to be some interesting ink. Can't wait to dive into this little jewel. It really does look sharp. So you want to keep our eyes open for this little jewel. That'll wrap up this call on Mail Call. Until my next video, God bless. Don't forget to subscribe if you hadn't done that already, and hit that little bell. And remember, as always, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.